This whole thing is so funny. This whole thing is so funny. It's such a joke. It's such a joke. It's just amazing how it's just a joke. It's so funny. The idea that Rebecca knows something or is somehow different. It's so funny. Asking Rebecca a question or like there's somebody who some person, somebody out there who knows what's going on, who has answers, who can somehow help us. It's quite funny. There's something other, there's an answer, there's something other than this. There's something else that's better than what's happening. There's somebody who can give something, who can direct me or offer me something that's better than just this. And in non-duality, that hope is still there, that the teacher or the speaker is going to be able to give you something other than this, other than what's happening. That you'll get to a point where there's something better or different to what's happening. It's so funny. It's so funny. It's so funny. It's crazy. It's crazy display of appearances and ideas and assumptions and feelings and thoughts and energies, and it's such a it's crazy. uh-huh. uh-huh. The idea of meaning, that words mean something, and they have meanings, relative meanings, but that's just some kind of agreement that's happened, some agreement that the word or the sound chair means a chair that you sit on. Okay, we called this chair, but that sound chair. It's not actually, what is it? We don't know. We just call it a chair. that. No one's agreed that. It's just happened. The display of agreeings happened, and it's just. This is crazy. Nothing that is said means anything. Even when it does mean something. Keep going to the wrong side, it's this side. Even when it means something, even when it seems to mean something in terms of language, it makes sense in language. I mean, it means what the language means it means, but other than language, it doesn't actually mean anything. And what the seeker listens to non-duality, and because it knows language, it tries to understand, which is what conversation and communication is, understanding what the words and sounds mean. But but what's being spoken, the words that the person's speaking, it means something on the language level, but what it's pointing to is the actual sounds of the words, not the meanings of the words. The meanings of the words, is all about interpretation and interpreting concepts, and which is fine. It's practical, it's useful. But what non-duality is talking about is not concepts, not understandings, not the mental dream of words and concepts. It's talking about pointing to actual sounds, the actual sounds appearing, not the content, the actual sound. But but the energy, the person who's used to living in meaning and in a, it's based on concept, it's based on ideas. Everything's about ideas and concepts and meanings. So the actual sound of the words is like it's kind of irrelevant. It's not even acknowledged, the sounds of the words. The sounds of the words can't be heard because the meaning's being focused on, what the words mean, not the actual sound of the words. That's like not even heard, if you like. Heard, I don't know, but you know, it's just focusing on the meaning. Like this now, the speaking now, like it means something really important. You have to understand what I'm saying right now, and it's like it's just sounds. It's just sounds. The meaning's irrelevant. Practically, obviously, it's quite useful, but you know, in terms of non-duality, the sounds are just sounds. The words are just sounds. It's not in what's being said. It's the speaking, the hearing, the seeing, the actual experience, the actual appearance. But that's nonsense. It's already gone. It's already gone. What's been said has already gone. Now there's this sound being said. Now there's that sound being said. Always moving, always something else, another appearance, another appearance. one appearance doesn't hang on and last a long time. It's just coming and going. The meaning hangs on. But even when there's an interpretation, that's come and it's gone again. Everything comes and goes. Nothing is permanent.